First, let me hide this layers. Drag the file to the composition. Arrange the images. Parent both the arm to the base image using Pick With tool. Now the arm is attached to the base. Now select both hand and press P for position. Then right-click, then select Separate Dimension option. Now you can animate the hand using X position option. Now scale the arm to the right size. Position it correctly. Now select the base and parent it to the arm 3 using Pick With tool. Now the claw is connected to the arm. Check if it's working properly using rotation option. Thank you for watching this video.